Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Dreamers Creation. Do you know why sky is blue daytime and dark at night? Let's see how. Our sun is a hot fireball that emits white light into all directions. Have a look. There is a prism, practical instrument used in the physics lab. When a white light passes through the prism, it splits into its different colors components. Similarly, our sun is a hot fireball that emits white light into all directions. The picture showing the scattering of white light into its different color components from red to violet with the different wavelengths, as you can see. Gases and particles in the Earth's atmosphere scatter sunlight in all directions. Blue light is scattered more than other colors because it travels as shorter, smaller waves. This is why we see a blue sky most of the time. The smaller the wavelength of the light, the more the light is scattered by the particles in the atmosphere. This is because the sun emits a higher concentration of blue light waves in comparison to violet. Furthermore, as our eyes are more sensitive to blue rather than violet, this means to us the sky appears blue. The question is, why blue light can be scattered more easily as compared to red light? The answer: as sunlight of all colors passes through air, the blue part causes charged particles to oscillate faster than does the red part. The faster the oscillation, the more scattered light is produced. So blue is scattered more strongly than red. Violet light is actually scattered even a bit more strongly than blue. The question: why evening sky is red? The answer is, within the visible range of light, red light waves are scattered the least by atmospheric gas molecules. So at sunrise and sunset, when the sunlight travels a long path through the atmosphere to reach our eyes, the blue light has been mostly removed, leaving mostly red and yellow light remaining. Does the sky turn black at night? The sun's light pours outward to illuminate every portion of our solar system so that the space around the sun is almost entirely flooded with the light. But there are dark places. These are in the shadows of the planets, moons, and other objects in orbit around the sun. And it's these shadows that create night. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, then thumbs up, share it, subscribe and press bell icon. Bye bye.